everybody, so I just got out of school and I'm gonna be on my way home, but today was a decent day. If y'all didn't hear what I said that I am gonna be on my way home from school, so I don't really know what else I'm doing today. I might not really do anything else today, but tomorrow we don't have school, so I really don't have anything to vlog like that. But today we did decorate cookies. We like decorated cookies in like study hall, so I got some clips of that. Plus I did my hair, so I'm gonna show y'all that also. And yeah, see y'all later. Opening up a hair salon down there. I'm going to be going to cosmetology school while I'm down there, and I could have got my license this year, but the cosmetology class was full. My counselor said it was full, so whatever. I'll just take the class during the summer. But basically I go to Atlanta in November, and today is like October 31st or like October 30th, and I go to Atlanta on the 18th. So, I mean, I go to Atlanta on the 17th, and I will be vlogging the whole entire trip, guys, so don't worry about that. But I am about to go to Goodwill, like I said, to, like, go see if I could find some purses. My friend told me that the Goodwill out here has some, like, cute purses, cute pants, stuff like that. She said she got, like, this cute, juicy purse. I'm like, okay, like, I always wanted to thrift, but I could never find anything every time that I go. So I'm going to try this one. I've never been here before, and we're just going to see how it goes. So, hey everybody. So, right now I'm at the thrift store. Let me show y'all. It literally makes no sense. Like, I literally just got so much stuff. I went to the purse section. I got me some pants. I got me, like, a sweater, a shirt. I'm going to show you guys when I get home, but yeah, I really got a lot of stuff, and I was really surprised. Glad that I could find. I found like 3 purses, guys. Like, I really got a lot of stuff. Like, guys, this is all the stuff I got. Literally, I can't wait to show you guys when I get home, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm back, and this is what I got from the thrift store. I told you guys I went to Goodwill. Now I'm about to show you guys what I got. I found so much stuff, and I really need to go back because I need to get some more tops, and I need to get some more pants, more like baggy pants, because all the pants that I got, they're all like flared and skinny. So I'm gonna go back for some tops, baggy pants, show y'all that. Maybe I'll do a thrift store part 2 or something. But this is what I got. So we're gonna start off with purses. First is my favorite purse that I wore today. Looks like this. It's really cute. And it just gives me thrift store vibes. So yeah. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I like it. It's like my favorite purse. And then I got this black purse that also gives me thrift store vibes. Honestly, everything's gonna give me thrift store vibes because I got it from the thrift store, but it's kind of like, y'all know what I mean. It's like thrift store vibes, but it can add something onto a basic outfit and make it really cute. So yeah. Then I also got this purse. It's like a baby fat purse. This is really cute. But yeah, those are like all the purses I got, and it's like a barrel purse. So guys, I thought this was cute. It doesn't go with this outfit, but this is just to show like it on a person. But yeah, really cute. Now we're gonna go into pants. So first I got these pants that I have on. Now I will say I thought that these pants were gonna fit a little bit baggy, but they really didn't. So I'm gonna try to go a size up next time and just wear a belt. But yeah, these didn't really turn out as baggy as I wanted them to be, but it's fine. And then we got these. So they look like up close. And then in the front, these are kind of just like some flared jeans. So yeah. And then we have these jeans. They kind of give me True Religion jean vibes, but they're not True Religions. They look like up close. But yeah, these jeans are really cute, and all these were like only $4 and like $7. So I think I'll be going back, but I just wish they had like more baggy pants. And I did try looking, they didn't really have any, so we'll just go back to see what they have next time. Then I got this jacket that I just thought is like really cute. I don't know, I feel like it could just add something to an outfit. Wear it unzipped. Yeah, this is the jacket. And this jacket was like $6. And then lastly, I have this shirt that was like $6 also, and really cute. And this is the back. It has kind of like a line down the back and down the sides. But yeah, that's everything that I got from the thrift store. So yeah, I'll definitely be back because I found so much stuff that I like, and definitely never ordering a purse again. Every time I need a purse, go into the thrift store. So I'll talk to you on the next clip. Hey everybody, so I just got this seafood boil. I'm about to see what it's hidden on. I've never tried this place before, but we're gonna see because I don't know, I just wanted one and this is the nearest, and yeah, so let's see. I only really got shrimp, corn, potatoes, and sausage. It smells good. It smells like the place that I usually go to. smells really good. Like, it smells really good. Looks like up close. If y'all could see, it's stuff all up in there. It's a pretty big bag actually, but it doesn't even look like it. Right. But this is a pretty big bag, but it is really good. I did to be good actually. So this is from, we're in Chicago. This is from Crab King in Aurora, I think. And yeah, it's really good actually. Like, I didn't expect it to be that good. It tastes like the place that I'm used to going to that is closed right now. But yeah, it's really good. So let's finish eating it. But yeah, even the sausage tastes the same as the one I'm used to going to. Hey everybody, so I'm back and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see y'all in the next vlog. And make sure y'all drop video suggestions in the comments down below. Bye guys.